In today's video, I'm going to teach you Navigator panel explained in Webflow. To get started, open your Webflow project so you can follow along directly inside the designer. Once your project is open, look over to the left toolbar. This is where you will find the Navigator panel, which is one of the most useful tools for understanding the structure of your page. You can open it by clicking Navigator in the left sidebar. Or, if you want a faster method, simply press Z on your keyboard. When the Navigator panel opens, you'll see what looks like a tree structure of your entire page. This panel displays every element that exists in your layout, and that's exactly why it's so valuable. Instead of only looking at the visual design on the canvas, you can see how everything is actually organized behind the scenes. This makes it much easier to understand parent-child relationships between elements, which is especially important when you are working with sections, containers, div blocks, images, text, buttons, and other nested content. One of the biggest benefits of the Navigator is structure visualization. It gives you a visual representation of your HTML and CS structure by showing elements in an indented hierarchy. In simple terms, the farther an item is indented, the more deeply it is nested inside another element. This helps you quickly understand what belongs inside what. And it makes troubleshooting layout issues much easier when something isn't behaving the way you expect. Another major advantage is pane-free selection. Sometimes on the canvas elements overlap each other, or they're hidden deep inside multiple containers, which can make them hard to click directly. In the Navigator, that problem goes away. You can simply select the exact element you need from the list, even if it isn't easy to reach visually. This can save a lot of time and frustration. Especially in complex page layouts, the Navigator is also incredibly helpful for quick reordering. If you want to change the visual layout of elements, you can drag and drop them directly within the tree. This instantly changes their position in the structure, which often changes how they appear on the page. It's a fast and intuitive way to reorganize content without having to rebuild anything manually. You can also perform useful element actions right from the Navigator. If you right-click any element, a quick access menu will appear. From there, you can duplicate an element, delete it, or wrap it in a new div block. These options can really speed up your workflow and make editing more efficient, especially when you are building more advanced layouts. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.